product here. I was mind blown, like oh my god, it's so cute. So let me introduce the products to you guys. First of all, this is the Zipidem skin but EGF skin barrier line, and I've been using it obviously for a week, and look at this. So first, this is the EGF skin barrier cleansing foam. It's very good, guys, very good, very good. And next is my personal favorite. This is the EGF skin barrier cream toner. It's very good. My personal favorite product out of this box. Next is this. This is the EGF skin barrier hydro ampoule. Very good. Like, if you want your skin looking glowy for the rest of the day, doesn't just make your skin glow, it also improves your skin barrier. So get this. And next is the EGF skin barrier intensive cream. I feel like this, it makes your skin glow. In fact, I haven't applied today, so I'm just going to do. Here. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm acting so. Oh, the product, girl. It's messy, but whatever. So, why is she crying? Goodness. Okay. Mm. I don't know why that girl is crying. She's always crying. I don't know why. Like, why must you cry? Yeah, that's my neighbor's daughter. Always crying. Did you look at this? I don't need to tell you guys more than once. Like, obviously you can see the glow, and if you've seen my previous videos, you will know that my skin was actually suffering. My skin barrier had really taken a hit, but after just 1 week, I received this product last week, and immediately, because I knew my skin was begging for help, immediately I started using it, and oh my god, look, I'm back to my glowy self. Thank you, Zipidem. Thank you very much, Style Korean. I am so grateful.